Look at this. See if I can get this. Alrighty guys, this is a 2004 Kawasaki STX 12F rebuild. This is gonna be a series. There's gonna be multiple, but I took the head off, took the cams out, tied this up. We're about to pull the motor, and we're gonna see what happened to this thing. It's just, there's no backstory on it. I bought it as is, sight unseen, picked it up, and yeah, this is what we got. There's a whole bunch of water on the intake. There's a whole bunch of water in here. So let's get this motor. It is hooked up. I just need you can see all the water in the head, dude. This thing, he rolled this thing and it kept running, and who knows what happened after that. So let me take it out and we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, this is the motor up on the engine stand thing. What I got for it's just a box. I took out the stick. And then about to lift the head. Look at this. See if I can. Absolutely destroyed. Let's see if I can get this in hand. Definitely got to put. There we go. Get that fucking trash out of here. Actually, right there. Look at that. At least the cylinder was smooth though. Oh, yeah. Oh, definitely glad I took this apart, tear it down. These fucking cylinders are fried in here. Hopefully I can get them out. That's the next biggest thing, for it to rotate. Look at that. Alrighty guys, so this is what we're working with. We got springs and retainers. We gotta do. And send the head out to get machined. If I can get this fucking thing back in there. Fuck it. Get it acid bath. Just, this thing is just disgusting. So this is where it's gonna stay tonight. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get some brake clean, and just start cleaning. Get all this shit out of here. This is literally a milkshake. But we'll clean all that out of here. Make this thing nice and clean. Send it out to the machine shop, bore out the cylinders, put bigger cylinders in, do springs, retainers, and valves, all intake and exhaust. And if you guys have any suggestions on upgrades to the 12F Kawasaki, I don't even know what motor size this is. I wonder if the 1200 is, if the 12 means 1200, but you know, who knows. Alrighty, so I'll leave you there with that. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll get the brake cleaning going, and we'll go from there. So